friends, back with another video. This one is the third part in the builder stable model in HACRAS. So in the third part we are going to discuss the fix the crisscross cross section line error which we occur when we view from the 3D view in the HACRAS 1D model. So let's discuss that in this video session. So you will draw for in the HACRAS. First you draw the streamline center of the river, and thereafter you draw the bank line, and thereafter you define the flow path. So suppose I assume here as upstream. So if I draw that here, so I name this as upstream and downstream. So water is flowing from here to here. So all are defined: this stream center line, the bank line, and the flow path line, all are defined. Now this time to draw the cross section. Just change that ink color. Yes. So yeah, in the HACRAS 1D model, always draw cross section from left to right. So if I draw that cross section 1, cross section 2, cross section 3, cross section 4, cross section 5. So in some cases, if you by mistake or a uh, in a neglect, if you draw from right to left, so if you draw right to left here, right to the left, then there is a chance of occurrence of the crisscross cross section between them. So it is something like this. So in this 3D view you can see that. So I just took a snap of it, so you get this kind of cross section like crisscrossed in between these two sections, because you define the you actually define the right hand side to the left hand side. So this causes error here. So if you see here, so here the cross section is all are defined in the left hand side. So by changing the cross section line from right to left, so you are changing the bank line from defining the bank line from uh, right to left. So this causes error here. So you can see, so this kind of error will occur. So let's move to HACRAS and discuss that error, and we know the methods how to fix that error. So let's move to HACRAS and try to fix this error. So if we move to HACRAS, so I already have imported the geometrical file from ArcGIS, that is GeoRAS to HACRAS. So now open this geometry file. So if you look at here, it seems that there is no issues from the view of the geometrical file. So you can see the all looks nice and wonderful. So if you look at here, so here if you look at here, the from here to here, the stationing is on the left hand side, and thereafter you can see here the stationing on the right hand side. So this, in that case, there is a error here in between these two cross section. You can rectify this error once you view in this 3D view. So that is 3D view of multiple cross section plot. So if you look at here, so if I zoom that here, so you can see this error here. So you have wrongly defined the bank line from left to right to left, so you need to fix that here. So from here, so you need to fix for up to the last cross section. So if I so from here, so you can see from this 3000.941 point, the all stationing has changed to right hand side. So you need to change that. So you can see up to the last cross section all are on right hand side. So you need to change this crisscross section in your river network, so it can be done by reversing the stationing in the geometry. So I will do that now. Let me show you how to do that. So it was between here, it was starts from the cross section 3000.941. So from here the stationing has changed to right hand side, so I have to change the reverse. I have to reverse this stationing for each section. So I can do that by just select it, that is select the uh, left mouse key, and you can see this reverse access stationing and the cut line. So now you have seen that the right hand stationing has shifted to left hand side. Do that for the remaining cross section. So I just zoom out and perform that same task for the rest of this cross section, where the stationing is on right hand side. I change them to left hand side just by selecting the left key of the mouse uh, and select the reverse the axis stationing and cut line. So do it for all. Select it and change the reverse axis stationing. Select it and perform same task for every cross section. Do that same to all remaining cross sections. So fine. So now you can see the all cross sections are defined from left to right. So there is no crisscross cross section and nodes after this. So I will save this geometrical file. Okay, fine. So now check that cross sections in the 3D view, that is XYZ perspective plot for 1D model. So now you can see the all cross sections are stationings are marked from left to right now. So there is no error of crisscross cross section between this river network. So now we have fixed this error. So thank you for watching. See you soon with some more videos on HECRAS and hydrological modeling.